Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. Today's video we'll be going through my Sephora Loves List and trying to make some strong decisions here. There's some stuff that's been sitting on the list for a while, and then there's some brand new stuff that I haven't quite decided whether I should pick it up or not, and I figure talking through it's the easiest way for me to make a decision. So let's get started. First up, we have this Natasha Denona Duochrome Top Coat. This is a relatively new product. It comes in 3 colors, and I sort of find all 3 of the colors to be really interesting. However, this is $28. You are getting 6 grams of product. I haven't really seen it, in action, as it were. And the whole thing for me with Natasha Denona, I think some of the products are really beautiful, but I have never actually purchased anything from this brand. And I don't know that this Duochrome Top Coat should be my first choice. So I think on further reflection, I'm probably going to skip this unless it's the most amazing product ever and everyone on YouTube spontaneously combusts with joy over it. I think I'm going to skip it. Part of me is really excited for this because I love Sephora Favorites bags, plus this one's full of skincare that looks pretty interesting, but then I have to look at the kit as a whole. It comes with a sample size of the Belif True Cream Aqua Bomb, but I have one of those already, and I have a full size as it is anyhow. Then it's a Caudalie Resveratrol Lift Eye Lifting Balm. I already have 2 Caudalie products I haven't even opened, so I don't really need to get this either. I have a sample of the Dr. Jart Hydro Gel. I have a sample of the Drunk Elephant V-Hydra Intensive Hydration Gel. I actually decluttered the Cora Organics Nani Glow Face Oil because I didn't think I'd actually use it. The Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask, I don't know if I'd ever get around to it. The Peter Thomas Roth Hungarian Thermal Water Mineral Rich Moisturizer has a lot of words in the name and sounds cool, but I have other moisturizers for that too. I've never tried the Ren Evercalm Ultra Comforting Rescue Mask, so that might be a thing. But I have tried the Sephora Collection Face Mask and Lotus, and those I can just buy for like $8 anyway, so I think I don't actually need this. I have other stuff that I need to use up first, although I'm sure there's some good products in here. I think this is not the right kit for me. This is the Farsali Jelly Beam Illuminator. I have to be honest, I have been wanting this ever since I saw swatches of it on Instagram. It looks amazing on people's skin. It looks amazing in photographs. The swatches look insane. I haven't seen this in person in the store, so I really can't say whether it's actually that beautiful, but man, it looks gorgeous. But I don't need this. It's only half an ounce of product, and it's in champagne, which is not my favorite highlighter color to begin with. Not that I don't like champagne highlighters, or that I don't have a bunch of them. I absolutely do, and they look good on me. But I wish it was a much more interesting color, and I think for that, because I've heard that they're making other colors of this, I think I'm going to try to hold out and see if they make a color that's more appealing to me, and then I will probably, like a big sucker, totally buy one of these. I was actually pretty interested in this Sephora Favorite Selfie Kit when I saw the photo, but I didn't know what was actually in it. Then I saw it in person and realized exactly what products came in the box and went, maybe not. Just so you know, of course it's a Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Highlighter in the shade Opal. It always is. And then that Marc Jacobs Beauty Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara in Noir. I love that mascara, don't get me wrong, but I have 3 different samples of it from various lash dashes, and one came in my play box. And I got one in a Marc Jacobs sample kit. That's an easy mascara to get. It's a good mascara, but I already have several. That Milk Makeup Blur Stick is some hot garbage. It doesn't do anything. Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick in Ashton. That color is not the most interesting color to me, but it does look more universally flattering than some other ones, so I mean, that's fine. I was interested in the Stellar Cosmic Face Powder Glow, because that seems sort of interesting. I don't actually know much about that product, but I looked it up and it looked, as something I'd like to try. And then there's this Tarte's Double Take Eyeliner in black, and I'm sort of like, Tarte, I don't need that right now, certainly. So I actually think this selfie kit's kind of a lose for me, so I think I'm going to skip it. And how can you have a wish list without an extravagant product from Pat McGrath? This is the Mothership 4 eyeshadow palette in Decadence. Frankly, I guess if I were really going to go for something from Pat McGrath, I'd probably go for Mothership 3. I think I like the colors in that one better, but I was taking a look at this one because it does look really cool. I don't have anything from Pat McGrath. I think $125 for an eyeshadow palette is a little bit hilarious. And considering how much eyeshadow I already have, I certainly don't need another palette, especially one that's only got 10 colors in it. I could get all sorts of stuff for $125, and I'd probably get more joy out of it. So while I am aware that the formula is really great, I totally respect people who are going out for this, I think this is a skip for me. So this Urban Decay All-Nighter Waterproof Full Coverage Concealer, frankly, if they made this in a mini size, I would have already picked one up to try, but they don't, and it is $29 for a full size. I am very tempted by this. I have the Naked Weightless Complete Coverage Concealer from Urban Decay, and I really like it, so I'm assuming I would probably also like this. And I'm always interested in a good concealer, especially one that's waterproof, because in my show I get water thrown in my face and I would like my makeup to not come off. So I'm really into this, but I just don't know anything about it yet. I haven't heard a lot of favorable or unfavorable reviews. I suppose if I don't hear anything particularly egregious about it, I probably will pick it up after I've used up one of the ones I have open right now. So I am going to pick this up. I think I'm just going to wait a bit longer first. More Natasha Denona. This is the Diamond and Blush palette. This is the Darya palette. There's also a citrus palette that sort of has an electric lime green highlight in it. And while I totally am into an electric lime green highlighter, it's not going to be flattering on me. I know that. Therefore, I was looking at this one. This was more shades I think that my skin can actually pull off. It does look so beautiful. The swatches look amazing. I don't need to buy this. This is $89. This is not worth the money. I'm not going to love this enough for $89. I have to remember that. As much as I want it, I can't have absolutely everything just because I want it. And I'm not going to love this enough for it to be worth the money. So I have to skip this. These I'm actually planning to swatch as soon as I see them in my regular Sephora, which I'm expecting will be tomorrow based on the date that I'm filming this. These are the Kat Von D Studded Kiss Crème lipsticks. This is the new formula of her Studded Kiss lipstick. I really liked the old formula. I have not been particularly impressed with what I'm seeing from the new formula. I saw a video that Jay Kissa did where she swatched the entire collection. They don't look nearly as nice on the lips as the old formula does, so I'm a little concerned. They also got rid of a lot of the really cool, like, duochrome shades that they had in the line. I'm assuming because whatever was in them to make them do that probably had like carmine in it or something that'll allow these lipsticks to not be vegan, which is basically what she's going for with the whole line, and I respect that. I'm hoping she didn't ruin these lipsticks because I loved them. This is the Kevyn Aucoin Prismagic highlighting trio. Guys, I don't need this. I need someone to tell me I don't need to buy this. I really want to buy this. Look at the swatches on this. I want this so much. This is $48. This is a $48 product that has 2.2 grams of product per color. I do not need this. Why am I so blinded by shimmery highlighters? I'm going to attempt to hold out until I can see this in person. But man, I have no chill when it comes to this. So it's good to check over your Sephora Loves List because this is actually the wrong thing on it. This is the Belif True Cream Moisturizing Balm, and I meant to click on the Belif True Cream Aqua Balm, so I'm going to switch that in my Loves List. I do want to keep it on my Loves List. That's something I will pick up again. I use that now, the Aqua Balm. What this was pertaining to is the value size that they just came out. So the value size, basically you can pay $62 for 100 milliliters, where normally if you bought the same amount in the regular size, you'd have to buy 2 of the normal size, and that would cost you $78. So it is it's a $16 difference. You're saving some money on that. That's really wonderful. I think just for me, I'm not positive if I'm going to get through that much moisturizer before I would have it open too long, unless I put my moisturizer out on with like a spatula, which is not something I currently do. I'm not sure I can get through this much product, but it is a great moisturizer, so it'll stay on the Loves List. This is the Marc Jacobs Beauty Omega Lash Volumizing Mascara. This is a mascara that I did like. I got it in black originally. What I really want are these colors. Why can't they ever put colored mascara as a sample in like a play box or something you can get with like your 100-point perks? I would love to try something besides a plain old black mascara all of the time. My biggest thing with this is I don't know if I really want to spend $26 right now on this mascara, but it does look really nice. I mean, it's a good mascara. I did like it very much as a sample size. So I think this is something I'm going to pick up during the sale. I probably won't pick it up right now, but I'm going to leave it on the list. So this Sephora Lipstories lipstick, I definitely am going to pick this up. This is one of the metallic finishes. I was really enjoying the metallic finish of Ouch, which is the light green shade. It's a really good lipstick. They last pretty well, and for $8, it's super comparable to drugstore lipstick, and the colors are super cool. So I am going to pick this up for sure. And I'll leave it on the Loves List because it's a good lipstick product. So this is the INC.redible Lip Tripping Strobe Lipstick. So this is an online only thing, so I can't see it in person. However, I'm thinking it's the exact same lipstick that's in this set from Nails Inc., which is the Sparkle Like a Unicorn set. And that also comes with a face mask and 2 tiny nail polishes. I really do like those nail polishes, so I'm wondering if I should just pick up that kit, try those out, and then if I really like it, I'll pick up a couple of the lipsticks separately, because, I mean, $13 for lipstick's not terrible. I've certainly spent more, so if I liked that one, I'd probably like the others. So this Kevyn Aucoin Electropop Pro Eyeshadow Palette, it's really adorable. I did see it in person. It showed up in Sephora briefly. It's no longer there, but I'm sure that I could just order it online. It does look really nice. It is $57. It's swatched fine. It wasn't anything to write home about, and I have so much metallic gold eyeshadow right now. I think this one I should just skip it. It's not necessary to keep this on the list anymore. This Urban Decay Vice lipstick in the shade Junkie, I need to remind myself that it's swatched exactly the same on me as the Kat Von D Plan 9, which I already own. I don't need two of them. You don't need to buy this lipstick, Emily. And last up, I was really intending to get another one of these Huda Beauty Obsessions palettes. I was going to get the mauve one, and then this was the recommendation that showed up for me on Sephora, where it placed it right next to the Kat Von D Metal Matte Mini Eyeshadow Palette, which I already own. And those colors look pretty much the same. I don't need to buy that extra Huda Beauty. I have two of them. I love them. They're great. I have the smoky and the electric, and that's all I should keep. That's enough for me. I need to not react to every highlighter that comes on the market the way my cat reacts to Nilla wafers. It's apparently her thing. I need to just calm down and wait a little bit longer and see if I actually need it. So I feel this way I've cleared out a lot of stuff off the Loves list that I'm definitely not going to be picking up, but there's still some stuff on there that I'll be picking up in the near future, and then some stuff I'll just save up until there's a sale. And I feel good about that. I feel like I have released my urge to purchase all of these things. I can be calm. I don't need to get all of this stuff. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you're enjoying the content on this channel, please subscribe. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and I will see you all soon. Bye!